to add two pictures in Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on your story at the top left corner of your screen. Here, on the camera icon, here, simply click on the layout option. Now select the second two picture option. Then click on the image icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, simply scroll through your pictures and select one picture you want. And again, click on the photo icon. Select another picture you want. Then press on the tick mark. After you do that, as you can see, two pictures has been added. Click on your story at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to add two pictures in Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.